So Christmas is actually around the corner, and a lot of us I know are having some fantasies that want to fulfill. Want to like a way we party around and then make sure that the Yule is actually one of the amazing things that will happen to us. But most of us are financially not buoyant enough to foot every one of our bid that we're promising or we're enticing or fascinating. But yeah, I'm about to share with you 5 legit websites that actually pays you money for filling out survey online. Now this particular website are actually so legit to an extent that there are so many variety of websites that I've been surfing the internet with. But these 5 I'm going to mention to you are actually 5 I've actually tried and I'm able to bring out something tangible from them, and they are paying awesomely. And so you can actually decide to work with me throughout this video so I can enlist these 5 different websites that will legitimately pay you money for actually filling surveys and doing other offers online, so you can actually make money this Christmas and have a very better celebration with your family and your friends. So if you have not, as we continue, kindly put on the subscription button and also like this video, drop a comment, and make sure that you follow us all through on our social media platform as we all go into today's video. Now meanwhile, if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Innocent Onyekachi Obunaya, Innocent George for short, and I'm a financial gain enthusiast, online making money enthusiast, and I like making money on the internet. As I'm going to share with you these 5 different simple legit websites that will actually pay you money for simply filling surveys online. So the number 1 website I'm actually going to talk about today is actually called Inbox Dollars. Now, inboxdollar.com is a survey filling platform that pays you wholesomely for filling surveys online. And Inbox Dollar is just one of the most unique particular platform because this particular platform gives you a welcome bonus of $5 immediately you sign up with them. So that is why I'm about to share with you how you can actually sign up with Inbox Dollars and start filling surveys and doing other offers like playing game and watching videos online. Then you get paid for actually doing that. So all you just have to do is to go to inboxdollar.com from any country of the world that you are, and then sign up with your information, basic information like your name, then your email, password, username, and every other identity. Then once you fill your demographic information like where you're coming from, and then, so once you sign up, Inbox Dollars will be sending you survey information to your email where you can actually solve these surveys, then get paid for actually doing it. So this is how it works with inboxdollar.com. So you can get paid and get money on this Christmas season by actually filling survey informations on the internet using Inbox Dollar for company and brand. This is how it works. So it's very easy to use from any part of the world. You can actually sign up with Inbox Dollars and start earning money on the internet today. So if you're looking for a very promising survey filling platform that will pay you wholesomely, Inbox Dollar, you can work with it at your convenience and then get paid on this particular platform. So the second platform that will actually pay you money online for filling survey information is actually called yougov.co.uk. Now, yougov.co.uk is actually a survey filling platform that will pay you money for actually helping to stabilize government policies and government agency and kind of law to make sure that government doesn't go beyond their boundary and then cause some havoc. So you keep government in check through your opinion that you're going to share on this particular platform, and these things are free of charge. You don't pay money to solve this survey information. All you just have to do is to sign up and then answer these survey questions ranging from how does government perform, how is this particular government of this country performing, and once you share your opinion, you're going to end point that will actually be converted to money and you cash out on this platform. So you can actually use your free time on in the internet to solve survey questions, answer survey question on yougov.co.uk, and all you just have to do to begin is actually for you to go to Google, and then once you go to Google, you type this information, yougov.co.uk, and once you are able to say, you see different rating platform that are rating YouGov as one of the best paying platform online. And this particular platform, once you go there, you enter your information, enter your demographic information, and then they will start filling your survey. And once you enter your end point, this point ranges from 50 point, 100 point different survey, and each of the point, 5,000 points can actually give you $50. Now $50 is actually something huge that you can actually earn on this particular platform. I was able to utilize it and I've earned something good on this this platform. So answering this question that comes as a tax, every now and then we actually fetch a lot of point that we converted to dollar, and you cash out using your PayPal or any particular pay information as listed on this particular website. So before I continue, I'm going to share a particular one bonus platform that will actually pay you wholesomely for actually filling survey online, and you just have to wait to the watch to the end of this video so that I can actually get this particular legit one that will actually give you much money on the internet today. So the third on our list today on particular platform that will pay you money online for actually answering survey questions on the internet is actually called Swagbox. I know most of us are maybe familiar with Swagbox. Swagbox is one of the most reputable platform, and according to people's views about Swagbox pays awesomely, and they have been in operation for more than 2 decades, and they are still doing what they are doing, which is actually paying people online to answer survey questions about product, about brand. And on this Swagbox is actually one of the most performing platforms, because on Swagbox you can it's not only surveys you'll be answering, you can actually fulfill company tax and also answer company reviews and write a kind of reviews about particular product on a particular company, and then you earn money online. So these are actually how it works. So if you're somebody that is looking for a way to earn money online, this particular Swagbox is actually one of the legit platforms that will pay you for spending your time to answer survey questions. You can also watch video on this particular platform, and then you get paid. Whatever thing you're going to do on this platform, you get you paid. So if you're a stay-at-home mother, or if you're somebody that is working from home, if you're looking for something like a full-time or a part-time work that will pay you money online, this Swagbox platform actually pays you awesomely. All you just need to do is to follow the simple guide that we're going to teach you, which is actually for you to sign up and then fill your information. Then you start receiving emails from them concerning offers and surveys you can answer. Then you earn point that will be converted to money, and then you start making money on the internet. So all you just have to do is to go to your Google and then type on Swagbox, and once you type on Swagbox, it brings you this information where you see ratings from people. Then the next thing, you see how it works, and then after how it works, you go to join the community, which is sign up. And once you sign up, the next thing is that you get your information updated and start earning money on the go. All you just need to do is sign up, verify your email, and then start off offering your survey idea or your survey answers to every kind of particular task that is on the platform. And that is how you start earning money on this particular platform called the swagbox.com. So before I continue on the fourth and the fifth one and the last bonus I'm going to give you at the end of the day, please, if you're really finding this video interesting, I want you to like this video and also tap on the bell notification after subscribing, and also share this video and share this channel. Drop a positive comment. Make sure you say it's interesting on the comment section so that you can actually encourage me to search for this legit information that I'm going to be always sharing with you on this channel on how you can actually make money online today. Now this is how it works. So before I continue, make sure you do this thing I just asked, and I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, because I really welcome you and I love you all. Now, fourth information that you're going to get on how you can actually make money online on this particular platform is actually called Survey Junkie. Now, Survey Junkie, as you can see on this particular screen, is actually one of the safest platforms that you can actually use, that is being utilized by hundreds of thousands of people to make money online. So looking for a way to make money online, this is actually one of the easiest things you can do. So once you go to Survey Junkie platform, you can just fill your demographic information, then start earning money by answering survey questions for brand, products, and watching videos from different tags, playing games. This is how it works on this particular platform. So if you can actually go to Google now and type on Survey Junkies, you can actually see the ratings from different review websites that are actually rating Survey Junkie as one of the best platforms that you can actually utilize to earn money online today. So if you're looking for a way to make money this Christmas, this is actually a video for you. So you can actually go to Survey Junkie and then sign up with them. You can actually access this particular website from every country of the world. You don't need to be sidelined or restricted from any part of the world. You can actually sign up on this particular platform without any kind of delay, which only takes you to fill in your demographic information to endpoint that can be converted to money, and you cash out through your PayPal or any particular platform that they pay through in this particular platform. So Survey Junkie is one of the amazing platforms you can actually use to make money on the internet today. All you just need to do, as I've said before, just go to their website, then sign up and start answering survey information that will earn you money on the go. This is how it works on Survey Junkie platform. So the fifth platform that I'm going to share with you that legitimately pay you money for actually filling surveys on the internet is called the Opinion Outpost. Now, Opinion Outpost, according to rating from different websites, one of the amazing legit platforms that will pay you money for sharing your opinion online. So according to your website, all they actually say is get paid for sharing your opinion. So whatever thing you're going to say on this website as a means of sharing your ideas with them, we actually get to pay. So surveys online are actually one of the amazing things that checkmate brand and put them on the right frame. So on this particular platform, whatever opinion you're going to share concerning a brand, a product, or concerning any kind of thing online on this platform, they will get you paid. So end points and then catch out your reward at the end of the day after it accumulates. So you can actually while your time away in this platform by getting yourself some opinions and then share your ideas with this particular platform on different survey they want to ask you to do. And once you're able to share this idea, you get points and then get yourself a whole sum of reward at the end of the day. So looking for a way to make money online, this is one of the amazing things you can actually do for yourself. So what you're actually going to do to begin with Opinion Words Outpost is actually for you to go to Google and then type Opinion Outpost, or just go to opinionoutpost.com and then sign up with your information like your demographics information like I've always mentioned. And then once you're able to sign your correct information, confirm your email, verify your email, come back to the platform. So start filling survey information on this platform and then it earns you money on the go. This is how it works on this platform. And these are 5 legit platforms that will actually pay you wholesomely for filling surveys online. These are very legit. So just go to the description of the video, find the link, then try them out and start making money for yourself. Good money at your own convenient time. This is how it works on this platform. Now, when I began this video, I actually say I'm going to share with you a particular bonus platform that will actually pay you awesomely. And I've already shared this platform before on this channel. And this particular platform is actually called zoombox.com. Now, with zoombox.com, you can actually earn more than $100 every day for this platform. Now, this platform offers the opportunity to fill survey information online, and then you earn points up to 1,000 points, gives you $1, and you can cash out from $2 on this particular platform using your PayPal, or you can cash out using every gift card of your choice that you want on this particular platform. So all you just require to do on this platform is to share your opinion and then fill the source of the information, play games, and perform every other task on this platform, and you get to earn money. So Zoombox is actually paying you wholesomely. All you just need to do is go to zoombox.com and then start earning money on the go. And it is very easy to sign up, as all they require are your demographic information, basic information like your name, last and first name, your email, and then your username, and then you confirm where you're coming from, and then you're on your go to making money on this particular platform. See, this is how it works, on how you can actually make money online. Now, this is what it works. So try out this particular website that we've just mentioned, and then you're on your go to making money on the go. Now, if you've not, kindly pop on the subscription button and also tap on the bell icon. Kindly like this video and drop a comment. Whatever thing you want us to do or address, kindly drop it on the comment section, and I'm going to attend to you on the go. Now, till we see next time, bye.